Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This lovely two-story, four-bedroom, four-bathroom house is located in the upscale community of Woodmere Avenue, Inglewood, Clarendon. It is a very quiet community where returning residents and the working class resides. Motivated seller welcome you to view this beautiful, well-fruited property that sits on almost a quarter acre or 10,890 square feet of land. It is located less than 5 minutes from the highway, and some other features include garden area, grilled, fully fenced, jacuzzi, easy access to amenities, family oriented, quiet area and level lot. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 33 million or US $214,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.